The goal here is to teach you to think like a computer scientist. The single most important skill for a computer scientist is problem solving. As it turns out, the process of learning to program is an excellent opportunity to practice problem solving skills. That's why this chapter is called The Way of the Program. On one level, you will be learning to program, a useful skill by itself. On another level, you will use programming as a means to an end. As we go along, the end will be clearer. The programming language you will be learning is Python. Python is an example of a high-level language. There are also low-level languages. Loosely speaking, computers can only execute programs written in low-level languages. Thus, programs written in a high-level language have to be interpreted or compiled into something specific for a particular type of machine before they can run. Almost all programs are written in high-level languages because of their advantages. It is much easier to program in a high-level language, so programs take less time to write, they are shorter and easier to read, so they are more likely to be correct. And high-level languages are portable, meaning they can run on different kinds of computers with few or no modifications. The engine that translates and runs Python is called the Python interpreter. There are two ways to use it: immediate mode and script mode. In immediate mode, you type Python expressions into the Python interpreter window, and the interpreter immediately shows the result. The group of symbols is called the Python prompt. The interpreter uses the prompt to indicate it is ready for instructions. We typed 2 plus 2, and the interpreter evaluated our expression, and replied 4, and on the next line it gave a new prompt, indicating it is ready for more input. Alternatively, you can write a program in a file and use the interpreter to execute the contents of the file. Such a file is called a script. Scripts have the advantage that they can be saved to disk, printed, and so on.